Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have something special for you as we take a tour of my home and explore the different rooms, showcasing a variety of everyday household items. This video is not only informative but also designed to help you expand your vocabulary. So, whether you're a language learner or simply curious about the objects we use daily, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and discover the fascinating world of household items. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be exploring the world of kitchen vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner cook or just looking to expand your culinary knowledge, knowing the names of common kitchen objects is essential. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the cutting board. Cutting board. It's a flat surface used for chopping and slicing ingredients. A good cutting board is usually made of wood or plastic and helps protect your countertops from knife marks. Next, we have the knife, a staple tool in any kitchen. Knife. Knives come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks like slicing, dicing, or mincing. Always remember to handle them with care and keep them sharp for efficient cutting. Moving on, we have the mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. It's a deep, round container used for combining ingredients. Mixing bowls are commonly made of glass, ceramic, or stainless steel and come in different sizes to accommodate various recipes. Now, let's talk about measuring cups and spoons. Measuring cups and spoons. These tools ensure accurate measurements of ingredients for baking and cooking. Cups measure liquids, spoons measure smaller quantities of dry ingredients. Up next, we have the blender. Blender. This electric appliance is perfect for making smoothies, sauces, or soups. It consists of a container with rotating blades that blend ingredients into a smooth consistency. The oven. Oven. An indispensable appliance in every kitchen. It's used for baking, roasting, and broiling. Ovens come in different types, including gas and electric, each with its own unique features. Refrigerator. It keeps perishable items fresh by maintaining a cold temperature. Remember to organize your fridge properly to prevent cross-contamination. Another essential kitchen object is the stovetop. Stovetop. It's where you cook your food using heat from gas burners or electric coals. The stovetop allows you to control the temperature for frying, boiling, or simmering. Speaking of boiling and simmering, we can't forget the pot. Pot. Pots come in various sizes and materials like stainless steel or non-stick. They're used for cooking soups, stews, pasta, and more. Lastly, we have the spatula, a versatile tool for flipping, stirring, and serving food. Spatula. Spatulas are usually made of silicone or metal and come in different shapes to suit different cooking needs. And that's a wrap on our 10 common kitchen objects vocabulary. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of living room essentials. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of the 10 most common items you'll find in a typical living room. So, let's get started and expand our English vocabulary together. Our first item is the sofa. Sofa. It's a comfortable, upholstered piece of furniture where you can relax, watch TV, or entertain guests. Next up is the coffee table. Coffee table. It's a low table placed in front of the sofa, where you can keep your drinks, snacks, or even your favorite magazines. Moving on, we have the television or TV. Television. It's an electronic device that provides entertainment, news, and information through various channels and programs. Bookshelf. A bookshelf is a piece of furniture used to store books, magazines, and other reading materials. It's a great addition to any living room for all the bookworms out there. Lamp. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere. A lamp is a portable light source that can be placed on a table or floor to provide additional illumination. Next on our list is the rug. Rug. It's a floor covering made of woven fabric or other materials, adding warmth and comfort to your living room. Armchair. An armchair is a comfortable chair with armrests, perfect for relaxing or reading a book. It's a great addition to any living room. Ottoman. An ottoman is a padded footstool or low seat that can also be used as a storage unit. It adds both functionality and style to your living room. Side table. A side table is a small table placed beside a sofa or armchair, used for keeping items like a lamp, books, or even a cup of tea. Picture frame. Last but not least, a picture frame is a decorative item that holds photographs or artwork, adding a personal touch to your living room. And there you have it, the 10 most common items you'll find in a living room. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring 10 additional kitchen utensil vocabulary words that every beginner cook should know. Building your culinary vocabulary is essential for understanding recipes, following instructions, and becoming a confident cook. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the ladle. Ladle. This deep-bowled spoon with a long handle is used for serving soups, stews, and sauces. A ladle allows you to portion out liquids smoothly and efficiently. Next, we have the peeler. Peeler. This tool is used for removing the skin or outer layer of fruits and vegetables with a peeler. You can easily and quickly peel potatoes, carrots, apples, and more. Moving on to the can opener. Can opener. This device is used to open cans of food, such as canned vegetables, fruits, or beans. A can opener is a must-have tool for any kitchen pantry. Now, let's talk about the rolling pin. Rolling pin. This cylindrical tool is used for flattening and shaping dough when making pastries, cookies, or pizza. A rolling pin helps you achieve the desired thickness and consistency in your baked goods. Next on the list is the sieve. Sieve. This meshed or perforated bowl-shaped utensil is used for straining liquids or sifting dry ingredients. A sieve is handy for removing lumps from flour, draining pasta, or separating solids from liquids. Moving forward, we have the basting brush. Basting brush. This brush is used for applying sauces, marinades, or glazes onto food while cooking. A basting brush helps to add flavor and moisture to your dishes. Now, let's focus on the masher. Masher. This tool is used for mashing or crushing cooked ingredients, such as potatoes or fruits. A masher is perfect for making creamy mashed potatoes or smooth guacamole. Another essential utensil is the grilling tongs. Grilling tongs. These long-handled, scissor-like tongs are used for flipping and turning food on the grill. Grilling tongs allow you to handle food safely and efficiently over open flames. Now, let's focus on the grater. Grater. This tool is used for shredding or grating ingredients like cheese, vegetables, or citrus zest. Having a grater in your kitchen will open up a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Lastly, let's talk about the strainer. Strainer. A strainer is a versatile tool used for separating solids from liquids or rinsing fruits and vegetables. It has a bowl shape with small holes and is useful for many cooking and preparation tasks. And there you have it, 10 additional kitchen utensil vocabulary words for beginners. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of vocabulary, specifically focusing on common bedroom objects. Are you ready to expand your language skills? Let's get started. Our first word is bed. Bed. A bed is a piece of furniture we sleep on. Next up, we have nightstand. Nightstand. A nightstand is a small table next to the bed where we can place our books or alarm clocks. Now, let's learn about lamp. Lamp. A lamp provides light in the bedroom. A pillow is a soft cushion that supports our head while sleeping. Welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's video, we will be expanding your vocabulary by learning about 10 essential garden tools. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply interested in outdoor activities, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid grasp of the names and functions of various garden tools. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's cover some basic vocabulary. A garden is a piece of land where plants, flowers, and vegetables are grown. Tools are instruments or devices used for specific tasks. Now, let's explore the 10 essential garden tools together. Our first tool is the shovel. Shovel. With its long handle and wide, flat blade, it's perfect for digging holes, moving soil, and planting. Remember to keep your back straight to avoid injury while using a shovel. Next up is the rake. Rake. It features a long handle with several teeth attached to it. Rakes are essential for gathering leaves, grass, and other debris, helping to keep your garden clean and tidy. Now, let's talk about pruning shears. Pruning shears. They resemble scissors and are used for cutting and trimming plants, branches, or flowers. Pruning shears play a vital role in maintaining the health and appearance of your plants. Moving on, we have the watering can. Watering can. This container with a handle and a long spout is used for watering plants. By providing the right amount of water, you can help your plants grow strong and healthy. Next, let's discuss garden gloves. Garden gloves. These protective gloves shield your hands from thorns, dirt, and other potential hazards while working in the garden. They are a must-have for any gardener. Now, let's learn about the trowel. Trowel. This small handheld tool with a pointed blade is perfect for digging small holes, transplanting seedlings, or scooping soil. Trowels are versatile and handy in the garden. Moving on, we have the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. This small cart with 1 or 2 wheels and handles is used for transporting heavy materials like soil, mulch, or plants. Wheelbarrows make tasks easier and more efficient. Next, let's explore the garden hose. Garden hose. This flexible tube is used for watering plants or cleaning outdoor spaces. Garden hoses come in different lengths and are a useful tool for any gardener. Another essential tool is the garden fork. Garden fork. With its long handle and sturdy tines, it's perfect for loosening soil, turning compost, or lifting heavy materials. Garden forks are great for heavy-duty tasks. Lastly, let's talk about the garden hose nozzle. Garden hose nozzle. This attachment fits onto the end of a garden hose, allowing you to control the water flow. Garden hose nozzles are useful for watering plants with different spray patterns. Congratulations! You have now learned about 10 essential garden tools and their functions. And there you have it, a compilation of everyday household items from every corner of my home. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in expanding your vocabulary. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more educational content like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if there are any specific topics or vocabulary themes you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.